So, I have a baby bird, and look what he always does. Don't fall off! Let's retry that. Right now, he's having a freak out, I guess. Here, stand there. He's ticklish! Ticklish. Please get off me. Hi! Ew, his little mouth is in my mouth. You're warm. Why am I so ticklish? One more time, let's see him. Run at me, so. Oh, shoot. You're gonna run off the side of me. Here, I got you. Support. Don't you cry! Please get off me. So yeah, this child loves me. Say hi to the camera. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to become a member of the Lens, I guess. I'm gonna call it the Lens. So yeah, this little guy will be growing up. I'm also getting some more birds tomorrow. I'm getting two, maybe a male and a female of, I don't know what they're called. Conures? Yeah. So I'm going to get two of them, and they will be young. It won't be like his age. He was born, and I'll show you the parents right now, actually. And he has little brothers and stuff. Don't you jump out of my hand, you little one. Hey guys, I got your child. Okay, so these are his parents. That's his dad right there, and this is his mom. And that little box is where he lives. He lives in a box. Alright, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And ew, there's poop. Bye, guys.